Number 5 is al-qira'atul hurrah. A lot of students don't have this when it comes to free reading. I meet many brothers, and over the course of my life, I've met many students of knowledge. They have not got the desire to read books. Yani qira'a hurrah. So the brother, he only sticks to the barnamij, he only sticks to the program that of his shaykh. He studies only, and he's graduated some of them. Some, they do not have al-qira'atul hurrah, free reading, where they go through the athar of al-Muallimi and the athar of Ibn Taymiyyah and the athar of Ibn al-Qayyim and the athar of Muhammad ibn Ibrahim ibn al-Wazir al-Yamani and all of those great scholars of Islam, Shatibi and Yani Zarkashi and Ibn Mulaqin and Ibn Kathir and no, and Nawawi and others. No, the student of knowledge doesn't even have that desire to do al-qira'atul hurrah. Brothers and sisters, this is something you will need. If you don't read, your knowledge will decrease.